In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view members in a Google Chat space. If you've ever wondered exactly who's in a group conversation on Google Chat, this walkthrough will show you the quickest way to check. We'll keep things simple and stick to the essentials so you can follow along on desktop or mobile without any confusion. First, open Google Chat. You can use the web version in your browser or the Google Chat app on your device. Make sure you're signed in to the account that's part of the space you want to review. If you use multiple accounts at work or school, it helps to double-check the profile you're currently using so you see the right spaces. Next, open the space, which is Google Chat's term for a group chat. Spaces are separate from one-on-one direct messages, and they usually have a name that everyone in the group can see. Find the space you're interested in and open the conversation view so you're looking at the message history for that group. Now look to the very top of the screen and click the space name. This is the title area in the header bar of the conversation. On many layouts, the space name appears prominently along the top. That name is clickable. Tapping or clicking it opens the Space Details panel, which brings together all the information about the space in one place. In the Details panel, select View Members. This is the option that shows the full roster of people included in the space. As soon as you choose it, you'll see the list of members. This typically includes everyone's display name and may include indicators like whether someone is an owner or member, depending on your organization's settings. You can scroll through the list to review each person. This is especially useful when you're joining an active project space and you want to understand who's involved before you jump into the conversation. If you don't immediately see view members after clicking the space name, make sure you're actually inside a space and not a direct message. Spaces will show a distinct name at the top, often with a member count next to it. Opening the correct conversation will ensure that the members option appears where expected. That's all there is to it. Open Google Chat, open the space, click the space name at the top, then choose View Members, and you'll see everyone in that group. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this guide while you follow along.